everyone, I'm Kelly D, and today we're making another exciting recipe from the lentils. If you like lentils as much as I do, I'll share with you another recipe that I did on lentil patties. It's going to be in the iCards above and also in the description box below. That is so delicious. You are going to love it. But today we're going to be making lentil stew. Now if you're a vegetarian, vegan, pescatarian, or you just love meat, you're going to enjoy lentil stew. It is hearty, nutritious, and delicious. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 1.5 cups of lentils. We have half of a large onion. We have in onion rings. We have half of a sweet pepper chopped. We have 1 large English potato chopped. 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 2 tablespoons of Bajan seasoning. You know we must have Bajan seasoning to elevate the taste of our stew. Oil for sauteing. We have 1 large carrot chopped. We have about 3 tablespoons of ragu sauce. This is optional, but ragu sauce really adds flavor. And to season, we have a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of curry, 1/4 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We'll cook the peas for about 20 minutes or until tender, then we'll set them aside. First step is to saute our potatoes and carrots. You need to make them really soft before we go ahead and add the others. So we're going to add, once we added the oil, make sure it's all over, we're going to add our potatoes, we're going to add our carrots, and allow them to saute or soften for about 4 to 5 minutes. It has been about 4 to 5 minutes and our potatoes are looking nice and tender. You're seeing the nice char on the potatoes, looking nice and brown. So now we're going to add our onions and sweet pepper. Oh, they're going to give such an amazing aroma. And our cloves. These help to season the, oh, it smells amazing. And then we're going to add our dried seasoning to make sure our potatoes and carrots are well seasoned as they continue to cook. I'm going to put them all together, mix them up nicely, and allow them to saute together for another 3 to 4 minutes. Then we'll add the other ingredients. Our stew is really starting to look good. Now we're going to add our cooked lentils. We would have cooked them earlier, so we're going to add our cooked lentils at this stage. And you can use vegetable stock, just plain water, or the water that the lentils were cooking in. So I'm going to add some of that now because it already has some of the amazing flavor from our lentils. So we're going to add it. Then we're going to add our Bajan seasoning to elevate our flavor. We're going to add the ragu sauce. If you don't have ragu sauce, maybe you can use ketchup. But if you can, I highly recommend using the ragu sauce. And we'll allow it to just cook down, reduce. It will become nice and thick, and this is going to be amazing. Lentil stew has its origins in Spain, but we're making this a totally Caribbean dish today. Our lentil stew is done. It's nice and soft. You can see the potatoes are tender, the carrots are tender, the beautiful green, the colors. It looks amazing. It smells great. I just did a quick taste test off camera and I adjusted the seasoning. At this point, when you taste it, if you think it needs a little more salt, a little more black pepper, a little more seasoning, you can do it at this stage. But now it's done. So I'm going to turn everything off and it's time for our final taste test. This stew smells so good. Like I said earlier, vegetarian, vegan, pescatarian, or you just love meat, you are going to enjoy this hearty lentil stew. And just to look at it, you're seeing the beautiful colors. Can't wait to taste. It's an excellent meat replacement, or if you just want to use it as a side, you go ahead and do that. So good. All of the flavors just work so well together. This is an excellent replacement if you want to consider a plant-based meal or just an addition to your regular table. Lentil stew. Now you need to try it. Now if you enjoyed this lentil stew recipe, I want you to look over here, see the other lentil recipe that I did, and once you've watched that, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.